We are now here in Dubai. Kaso nga lang, dahil delay ang flight namin from Philippines, so we need to go.
To the hotel.
No, I mean, delayed ang flight. So, na-miss na namin yung flight namin going to Dublin. So now, they rebook us. And the following day pa yung flight. Is this? Okay. And we'll go for transit na. So we need to go for Dubai Connect for transit at mag-hotel at yung hotel nila kami. Free naman. Kasi it's not our fault. It's because of the weather condition. Kukuha muna kami ng transit visa dito sa Dubai Connect para makalabas. Kasi 24 hours walang flight for today. Fully booked na. So talagang tomorrow na lang ulit. So yan. Sa Emirates Hotel Des tayo. See kung gaano kami karami na nadilig. So we need to. We're going to the hotel na. Nakalabas na. Okay? Bas na. So, delay ka. So, going to hotel. Time, breakfast first before checking in. So, pinag-breakfast muna kami bago mag-check-in. Ayun. Nakakakuha na rin kami ng hotel, ng room, I mean. And then, same with the car, you need to swipe first the card. And then you press the floor. So, room 225 tayo. 225. So, we'll go here. Let's see. 225. 225. Yeah, here. So, so here's our room. 225. Card.
Isa lang.
Yeah. Isa lang eh. Baka may tao rin ah. Just, no, I don't think so, yeah. Oh, okay. Good. So, here's the room. So, ito na yung bed. Small sala. And ito, may press. And then, the bathroom. Yan lang. Kailangan pa namin tumingin ng damit namin. So, that's it here. We're going to Dubai Mall. Dubai Mall muna tayo, okay?
Dito tayo sa Dubai Mall.
Yeah. We're here now in Dubai Mall. Supposedly, ito yung una namin pupuntahan kanina. After nung nagising kami from the hotel. And then, so, sinuggest yung taxi driver na pumunta muna kami ng Dubai Miracle Garden. So, we'll go here. So, para makita niya rin yung dancing fountain. Kasi malapit dito. So, ito yan, Dubai Mall. So, malaki siya. Doon. Hanggang dito. So, yes. We go inside pala muna. Ayan. Ito yan, Dubai Mall. pang papalit na damit.
Bili muna tayo ng...
Bibili muna tayo ng something. Okay?
Kung mayroon na ako.
Kailangan natin. Or gusto mo nang kumain?
Ayos lang.
Or mamaya na lang. Punta muna tayo ng Dubai, na, yan. So, ito siya. So, nag-shopping lang pala tayo dito, Hindi, joke naman. Bumili na pala nga kami ng kailangan namin,
Shopping
Pampalit. Pampalit? Wala naman tayong dala kasi. We did not expect naman na ganun, di ba? Mahirap. Kumain kami, I think, doon, no? Kasi papat na dancing fountain. Doon, no? Kami kumain. Ayan, no? Yan ang ng birch club. Nabayad kasi yan, eh. Nabayad yan. Ayan, nabayad yan. Ayan, no? Aray ko? Tinutulak mo ko. Dubai. Aminin pala sila yung boat. Mas malapit lang sila. Sumasabay. Ito sumasabay. na muna. Then, oh, Pachi!
Always.
Pachi. Movenpick. Oh, my gulay. I miss a lot of things. Nasa
Dubai.
Saudi tayo.
Asa.
Kasi mostly, yung, alam mo yung meron din sila dito. Bakery, Texas and Brazil, burger. Yeah. Texas. Italy. Italy is, of course, Italian food. There's the Texas Roadhouse. Magkakatabi lang pala siya. But I love the Lodorate. Macarons.
So,
We are now in PF
Beef
Chang's.
Chunks. We-order muna tayo ng...
Kain.
Let's go!
Gutom na kami. So, the food is like this. Okay. So, bahala ka na, Dad, kung anong gusto mo. Wow, may lobster. Cantonese lobster, Dad. Here's the... Dapat pala sa labas na lang tayo.
Sa labas natin may dagdag yun.
Hindi, wala.
Kasi yung view.
Hindi naman. Here's the sangria.
Sangria.
Sangria white. And then the California, tempura roll. Okay, masarap. Sarap, diba? That's it. Lobster, rice, beef broccoli. Thank you.
Ma'am, how is the white sangria? Nice. Me also,
You need...
I like the white and the red. The red is quite little bit strong, but this one is refreshing one.
That's white wine, right?
Yeah, white one. Do you need anything? Just let me know, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Diyan kami kumain sa PF Chang's. Sobrang busog. And syempre, meron na naman kaming pera. Pero naiihi ako.
Pag makakita tayo ng ano, bigay natin.
Bigay mo na, oh. Dahil hindi rin naman po namin makakain na. Ang dati.